now I got this piece clamped in. It's a fillet weld, and we're going to do a vertical. Now I've already welded this. I will revert the clip back and I'll show you the welding. But I want to explain what I do for my verticals. This is just a single pass, 70/18, 1/8 inch, about 120 amps. Okay, what we want to do is I like to hold the rod at, let me get out of the shadows here, but I like to hold it just ever so slightly uphill. Nothing like this. Some guys like to, run this like with their rod angle like that, but I'm flat or just slightly pointed uphill. And basically what you're going to want to do is you want to go from into the corner, hold, sweep across quickly to the next corner, hold, sweep across, just like this. If you don't hold those corners enough, you're going to get all different kinds of undercut, and it's going to look terrible. So, like I said, I'll show you the welding. I wish I had a better camera. Maybe that's something for the future, to get a better camera during the welding process. But you can see this is the finished product, and watch for the sweep, sweep, hold, sweep, hold, holding the corners, just like that.